How to get the best trip.com discount promo codes. In this video, I'll show you how you can get the best promo codes from trip.com. So, a website where you can find promo codes for trip.com would be bigcouponcodes.com. So, this platform will allow you to get coupons for applications such as trip.com. So, as you can see in here, under this section, you'll be able to find all of the coupon codes that you can use for trip.com. So, for example, for this specific code, you can get 8% off on hotel bookings, tours, and attractions when you actually copy this code when availing a trip on trip.com, which is exclusively for US users. So you'll be able to find all of the codes that you can actually claim depending on your country. So for example, 8% off on hotel bookings and flight. You can simply copy this code and then go ahead and head over to trip.com and try booking a hotel. So select Manila as your destination, and then select the duration of your trip, and then enter the amount of rooms, adults and children that would stay on that specific room, and then click on search to look for some accommodation for this specific trip. So for example, for this Kingsford Hotel Manila Bay, you want to check the availability. Simply click on the check availability button. And then once you have made up your mind and you want to select a room from here, since this hotel has all of the amenities that you're looking for, simply click on the select rooms button and then click on the reserve button. And then upon checkout, go ahead and enter the code that you have found under the promo code section. So simply click on this and then paste the code in here and then click on use. So you'll be able to find the current state of the promo code. So as you can see, this promo code is currently out of stock. So make sure to test out promo codes first before you actually proceed on checking out. And that is how you can basically get the best trip.com discount promo codes.